Hello everybody, this is the moment you have been waiting for. We're gonna see the machine room. Let's go check it out. I just gotta go find Mel. Got that.
Oh.
Then you have to hit the elevator button.
From upstairs. Way top, and then send it back down, and then I can hear it.
Yeah. Just go in the elevator, hit the button.
Go in the elevator, hit the button.
Yeah, go up to the top floor and then send it back down. I'll text you and hit the button.
Whew, it's hot.
Is it hot outside?
Yeah, it was a hard workout.
Is it really windy?
Yeah, kinda.
Kind of.
Got storms coming here in a while.
Oh, it's supposed to rain tonight?
Yep.
Oh, well.
I got something stuck in my throat.
Supposed to rain Sunday.
Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
I didn't see it was going to rain tonight. Probably just a little sprinkle, though.
From upstairs, because I want to hear it go all the way up.
Yeah, he's going to go up and then he's going to bring it back down.
Sounds good.
Oh, I'm dumb. There we go. Alright.
Can't see very good here. So there it is. The moment I've been waiting for a while.
Alright, bring it back down. And now he's back down. That didn't take very long, did it?
No.
No.
We should do it one more time.
Alright, send it back up one more time.
And then back down.
And back down. Come stand over here and video that, 'cause that's where the noise is coming from. That's all the gears. all that.
Awesome.
And now he's back down.
That's cool.
See, those are just all fuses. These here. And then these are the wires leading to everything electrical that needs to happen.
Awesome. That's cool.
Ow.
And it has the brand on it too.
Yep.
KONE. Just gonna finish off some of everything here. There's some there's a cobweb right there.
There's a couple of them up there, but I'm not that tall.
They're getting a lap pad, but that's awesome. And so here's the control box.
Yeah, that's the master switch for power on or off.
That's awesome.
And then that's the switch for the elevator lights, but we always leave that on, see?
Yeah.
Otherwise you can't see when you're in the elevator.
Yeah, you have to have a light on, right?
That's right.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. You finally got to see the inside of the elevator. Now your life is complete.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Kind of funny how it's just tucked back in that little room.
Whew.
Where are you going to eat again?
2 tailgaters.
That's right. What are you gonna have, do you know?
Oh, yeah.
Big old burger?
Probably.
That sounds like a good idea. Well, I'm gonna go back to vacuuming my
All right.
rooms. Have a good weekend, Sebastian.
Mm-hmm.
I'll see you next week.
All right. So that was a video of the machine room and me riding. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.